2017 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. What we did on it was mid-muffler delete and replaced them with DYNOMAX bullets, 3-inch, and left the rear mufflers on it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Go ahead. Bullets in their place. If you guys want the bullets, you can see in the description the link. We left the rear mufflers and just in the middle. Sorry I didn't have time to do an undercarriage. Part is to drive off, you know?
Right, yeah.
Hopefully he gets on it. Beautiful car. Yeah. That's what I need, one of these. Black. Ooh, fast.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like